Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Martin with Bella Auto Spa, and today we're doing something not car detailing related. We're going to be reviewing the Alloyman, however you want to say it, 450 pound furniture dolly, carries furniture, indoor handling, innovative interlocking design. So how I came into this, Alloyman reached out to me through email. I guess they had seen some of my videos. If I had to guess, it could be because of all the SPTA polishers I reviewed. Alloyman is a Chinese brand, I believe. SPTA is also a Chinese brand. I reviewed all SPTA stuff because of how good of a value it is for people into exterior automotive detailing. And Alloyman reached out to me, and honestly, I didn't reply to them for a while, and I figured, you know what? Let's give it a shot. But, you know, what do we got to lose? We got nothing to lose, everything to gain. So they sent me that. Oops. And they also sent me this. It's going to be a separate video. Impact wrench. Now, I've got plenty of tools. I've got, see over there, some Ryobi stuff on the shelf. A bunch more Ryobi stuff. Ryobi vacuum. I got a lot of Ryobi stuff. That's because Ryobi, even though, I mean, Ryobi is made in China too. Ryobi is, I don't know if it's an American-owned brand at this point. I know it started out as a Japanese brand. But it's a major brand sold in the United States. And being that I'm not a construction site worker or contractor, I don't get Milwaukee or Rigid, which are also made in China. And they're all made by the same company, funny enough. So I figured, hey, what the heck? We got Chinese brands reaching out directly, wanting to get their products into circulation in the US market. So here we are. So the Alloyman, these will set you back about 40 bucks. I believe right now they have a 5% off coupon. And I think they're going to have some deals on Black Friday as well, including their website. I'll put links in the description below if you're interested in purchasing. But what you get, and I apologize, I don't have the box anymore. You get 2 dollies, and you also get 2 bungee cords to secure things to your dolly. Now, something that's interesting, I'm sure a lot of you that are watching this may have seen those wood dollies before. These are, you know, a plastic polymer, so they don't snap or rot like wood. They're waterproof. You can get them wet. They can stay wet for a while. I mean, there are some metal components, you probably see some rust in there, but it's going to handle it better than wood. You look underneath, you know, it's got a solid construction, reinforced. It's got nice handles. The casters they're all right. They're not the best thing in the world, but I mean, they spin easily. Wheels roll easily. Can change directions easily. So pretty good there. Probably the coolest feature about this is its interlocking design. So you can lock them together this way, like a puzzle piece, man. Or you can lock them together side by side. And you lock them together, it's not going anywhere. They're not going to separate easily. None of that. So that's pretty good. And then, of course, you've got these bungee straps so you can secure your load. So if you do happen to be going down inclines now, today I was moving. So for those of you who are not familiar with me or my channel, I'm an IT professional by trade right now anyways. And today I was moving a lot of equipment, and I mean a lot, on one of those dolly carts, and I was going down an incline and stuff started to damn near fall off. Thankfully somebody was helping me, so I was able to secure it. But had I had something like this that I can simply just hook under the bottom, this would have secured everything in place. So I suppose we need a demo of this. Now I'm gonna risk my life and stand on it. It says it can hold 450 pounds. I'm a 250 pound man myself. So if I have my weight distributed evenly, you can see it's not breaking. Now if I put my weight in the middle between the wheels, yeah. So you definitely want to make sure that you got your weight set evenly. If you got something really heavy, don't set it right in the middle. Now, can it hold it? Yeah, but it's going to make the middle kind of bow out. But thankfully, if it does have to go too far, they've got these things for it to set on. I'm wondering if that has to do with its... Are they stackable? No, they're not stackable, obviously. But yeah, so I want to grab something to show you a demo. Now, you can move furniture. You can move a couch around with this, refrigerator, other heavy appliances, washer and dryer. Obviously, I'm not going to go grab those because those are freaking ridiculously heavy. But I am going to grab something that is moderately heavy. Now, a full-grown man, such as myself, can carry it. But if you're carrying it a lot, moving it all over the place, let me show you an easier way to manage. And let me show you what it is, obviously. All right, so here we have a car tire, or a car wheel. Tire and wheel together. Now, this probably weighs a good, I don't know, 60 pounds or so. Just one, pretty heavy, right? 18-inch wheel, pretty meaty tire, fully inflated. Air doesn't weigh anything, but it does make it more rigid. Now, easily. Now imagine you got a set of 2 or 4, stack these on top of each other, right? And then you can grab your bungees. You go ahead and secure it down. You get that secured on there. Now, because this is only one high, it is going to be a little bit loose. But hey, good visual, right? There you go. If I had multiple of these and I wanted to secure it down so they don't slide and fall off each other, you can cross these bungees over one another and it would work. And let me see if I can find something kind of better visualize that. Because these bungees are long, they got a lot of slack, which is good. They're useful. Let's put this bucket up. I'll take some of the slack out of there. I'm having troubles. The hooks are getting caught on things. There we go. Okay, so pretend this bucket. This bucket represents the height of another tire. Secured on there with these bungees. It's not going anywhere. And you could probably stack 4 high and still get these around. And then you can simply just roll them around. Now, just picking up this tire again, it's pretty heavy, but you know, so maybe you're somebody with physical disabilities. Maybe you're somebody who is just not physically strong. Maybe, you know, maybe you're just slimmer or a smaller person. And these things are heavy for you. It happens. I understand. You know, this is something good to help you get things around, especially if you live in like a 1-floor house, or if you are single. You know, you don't have anyone to help you out. And I just looked up in the corner of my garage. I saw my other wheel up there without a tire. Let me grab that. All right, just pulled it down off the shelf, hit myself in the head, but that's okay. I've got a hard head. So here's another wheel. Now this isn't, doesn't have a tire on it, obviously, but now we can get this load secured on here. This is going to be especially nice if you got like big truck tires. Oh man. Winded from picking that up off that top shelf, jeez. Heavy. There we go. Secured. And still, they still got some play, so I mean, you can really wrap these up around something tall of that nature, but you know, and there you go. Go ahead and roll it around. Pretty good, and this came loose because I didn't have it secured on well. Anyways. I wasn't really paying attention to what I'm doing. But yeah, these are the Alloyman dollies from our friends over in China. Chinese make a lot of stuff, don't they? They make pretty much everything in the US at this point. So overall, pretty good. I'd say it's pretty good value, especially since you can get it shipped to your door. You don't got to go out searching. Save yourself some time. Really, my only criticisms about it is I think the dollies themselves are fine. Maybe if they came in like an XL size, something larger. But again, you can connect them together. You can buy multiple. You can connect 4 together and have a really big one. And then I guess the accessories, you know, I'd like if we came, maybe some additional bungees, maybe different size bungees for depending on your load. But you can always just order assorted bungees as well. I mean, they didn't have to include them, but they did, so that's cool of them. But yeah, the Alloyman carry furniture, is that what they call it? I'm calling them dollies. Dolly, I think that's what it's called on their site too, and on Amazon. But if you're interested in these, I'll post links in the description. If you're watching this early, Black Friday is coming. So if you're looking for some stuff to move some furniture around, then there's definitely a good option. And I got a review on that. That'll be coming up in the near future. And what way to review it other than taking off some lug nuts off some wheels, right? Since, you know, I've just got wheels everywhere. Look at that. But I appreciate you all watching. If you found the video useful, informative, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Just hit 5,000. Thank you, everybody. It's got me thus far. I've got a Facebook group as well. I'll put that in the description. But I will see you all in the next one. Keep them clean. Have a good one.